Hi, my name is Chris Hollinger. In this video series, I'll show business users how to use Oracle Application Express, commonly referred to as Apex, to do their jobs better. In this video, I'll explain why business users should begin using Apex. So what is Apex? If you go to apex.oracle.com, you'll see that Oracle Application Express is a low-code development platform that enables you to build scalable, secure enterprise apps with world-class features that can be deployed anywhere. But let's focus on what low-code development means, because I think that's a big piece of what we're going to be talking about in this series. Low-code development makes it easier to develop solutions faster with more consistency. Low-code development makes it easier to adapt to changing requirements and, I think more importantly, empowers business users to be part of the solution. You don't have to have a developer in order to create nice, elegant applications that collect data that we can use for reporting and understanding our business. So why would a business user want to learn and use Apex? Well, from my experience, lines of business rely on Excel or spreadsheets to help manage their business. They want a better solution, but don't have development resources or business team resources to develop standard reports. So they create a spreadsheet workaround. This involves a spreadsheet admin person who builds the spreadsheet and maintains that spreadsheet and learns the ins and outs of it through the life of that spreadsheet. And they are responsible for getting that spreadsheet out to the teams, sending out multiple copies of that to all the teams. Maybe if you're working with many regions, it goes out to the regional contacts. Then those regional people will collect the information and then send them back into the administrator, who then aggregates all that data back into a single spreadsheet. And they do all this so that they can create a final report, and maybe using some pivot table functionality or basic calculations, they're able to create a nice report for their management team or whoever is requesting the information. The problem with this is the data is already old, so the process has to be repeated each and every time whoever needs the updates on the reports. It's also timely to do this. It takes a lot of time to send out those spreadsheets and gather up the information from the contacts that we're working with. And often when that data comes back, it's not clean, so that administrator has to go through and clean up all the data. So if they're using pivot tables or if they're doing some basic functions to get numbers and sums and things like that, the numbers and the data work so that their pivot tables work as well. So this all leads to delays, and this is just getting the data ready. So why use Apex? Apex is a spreadsheet on steroids. That was the best way it was put to me when I asked this question to one of my colleagues. Better, it's free and it's easy. If you know a little bit about Microsoft Excel or spreadsheets, the transition into Application Express isn't bad. It's not hard. It's different when you look at it, but once your eyes get adjusted to it and you start learning where things are, you realize you can move fairly quickly to get things done. Application Express is also Oracle technology, and this is a good skill to have in your back pocket as a business user. With a little Apex skills, you'll be able to create an application, share the application with your team, and all the data will be collected and centralized into a nice report. You can add charts and other data visualization into your app. So if you're working with managers or other people that are interested in the business, they can just go into the app and get the answers and updates whenever they want. With Apex, you can get as complex as you want. If you have SQL skills and things like that, you can utilize all that. But if you don't have those skills, that's fine. You can keep it as simple as you can or want. In fact, you can use the Apex App Builder, which is a tool inside of Application Express that I'll show to you later, to build your business application or applications by just uploading a spreadsheet. So with all that said, I hope I've created more understanding as to why you should use and learn Application Express. In my next video, I'll show you how to get started with your Apex workspace. Until next time.